Okay, jumping right into it, I'm just showing you guys the wig, what the inside looks like. And now I'm going to start by gelling my edges down. I just use like a random edge control. I'll put everything that I use down in the description box below. But yeah, I'm just slicking down my edges, and I'm on the phone. That's why it looks like I'm like talking and laughing. So yeah, I'm on the phone this video. So now I'm going to put my Fenty Beauty bronzer all over the wig cap. Well, I'm going to put it in the section where the closure is going to be. And then I'm going to put that same bronzer on the closure on the wig. And now I'm just applying the wig, getting it situated. And I'm taking my wax stick and placing that on the closure and just hot combing it down to make it flat. And now I'm just going to clip the closure back and then get ready to cut the excess lace. And I'm doing this in regular time so you guys can see what I'm doing. So I'm basically taking the scissors and cutting like zigzag, like rigid, not like a straight line, just so it can look a little bit more natural and just go along the hairline. Now that I'm done cutting, I'm going to start pulling out some hairs so I can cut some baby hairs. And I'm just going to use like an eyebrow razor to cut those baby hairs. And now I'm going to take this Lotta Body foam and I'm just going to shape my baby hairs. And I'm just adding some more of that bronzer to the hairline, and now I'm just tying it down. Now I'm going to take my Silk Remedy and apply it to the hair, and now I'm going to get ready to start curling my hair. I'm going to be curling my hair with a flat iron, and the next few minutes will just be me doing flat iron curls. So the hair that I'm wearing in the video is the hair that I was working on in my last two videos. I'm not going to have any of the information down in the description because it's some hair that I'm testing out from a vendor. And as you guys can see, it's silky and it colored really well. But I did these really cute curls in it and the curls did not last. Like, especially when I got out into the elements, it was humid, things like that. The curls did not last at all. And even before it was humid, they just fell. So this hair is just basically hair that I tested and it didn't make the cut. So yeah, I'm just going to show you guys the video for it. So yeah, I'm just curling the hair. If you guys seen any of my other videos of me like styling hair, you know that I love a good flat iron curl. Maybe one day I'll do something else like crimps or actual curls with like a curling iron or a curling wand. Maybe one day. Okay, so now I am taking off that scarf around my edges, and as you can see, we have melted it as much as we could. So now I'm just going to go back through and just fix anything that needs to be fixed. Cut some small layers around like the bang area. Not the banging, the banging. And just go back and fix like my edges, my baby hairs, the parting space and things like that. So I'm just going to take this concealer and just put that in my part just to define it a little bit more. And yeah, I'll just be going back and fixing up my hair to my liking. And here I'm just showing you guys what the hair is looking like. It's pretty much melted, just showing you guys like different angles of it. And then this is the finished look. If you like this video, if it was helpful for you guys, make sure that you like this video, share this video, comment down below what you think, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.